How to share a draft on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to share a draft, first of all launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and here you'll be able to see all the draft videos that you have kept. So let's tap on the draft section and I'm going to tap on the draft directly. So as a select on a draft, what you can simply do is you can just tap on the arrow down button at the right side of the screen and here you can see there's no option over here. So what you can do is tap on next, and as a tap on next, here you can share it over here. But in order to tap or in order to share it, you'll have to first post and then only it will be shared. So this is not the possible option for us. So what you can do is tap on everyone can view this post. So let's tap on it and select on only you. After that, you can simply tap on post, and as you tap on post, you can just wait for a while and then go to your profile, and then simply what you can do, so let's go to our private video over here, go and search for our private video that we have just kept it. And what you can simply do is tap on the option of three dotted lines and you can simply tap on save video. So when you just tap on save video, it will be saved to your gallery and then you can share it to any of your friends. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.